didn't see you there. Welcome to the Startup Labs. Want me to show you around? All right, cool, let's do it. Welcome to the Startup Lab Makerspace. What's really neat about this space is it used to be a clean room, and this was a suited up room where you would step in and get all your debris off. Let's go. So, students really love this Maker Lab. There's so much cool stuff. As you'll see in coming episodes, there's a wind tunnel that way. We're doing all types of wind tunnel training. There's going to be quite a bit of building to this lab. We're going to be adding maybe some robotics, some metal printing machines, some really cool stuff. Off to my left is a CNC sewing machine where you can do embroidery work, you can do hems, all kind of actual sewing. So this is really handy, super nice machine. Come with me. Over here, this is one of the most used pieces of equipment, is our vinyl cutter. Vinyl stickers, graphics, so you can put it on projects for engineering or just put it on your car, all kinds of fun stuff. That's used a lot. We have a computer lab. Wood storage, boy is that exciting. Over here, our vacuum former. You take a sheet of plastic, suck it over a shape. Blue.
I am your father.
I won't try to do it. But you can see the idea, super cool. This is a machine that can do things that not ordinary manufacturing can do by making very complicated shapes. Ooh, we have a student working on our laser now. This is the most used piece of equipment in here. This is our mini Epilog laser, 1 foot by 2 foot, 50 watts. You can do all kinds of cool stuff. I'll show you a couple things. Check that out. This is one of those piece of particle board furniture. We cut a chunk off and we're able to etch in a really nice photo. You can etch on glass. So this piece of equipment is huge and used all the time. Our new addition to the lab is our new super laser. 3 foot by 4 foot bed. I think we're even doing a job on it right now. Making some puzzle pieces. Students are super excited about this. Woo, this way. Work tables, soldering, glue gun work, to injection molding. Now, is this a high production run injection molder? No, but does it teach a student the basics of injection molding, how to make a tool? Yes, it does, which is very important. Over here, 3D scanner, a micro probe for pulling parts, for pulling a curve off a part. We have a MakerBot 3D printer. Have that removed. Into our wood working tables. Here's where all the magic is done, and more sawdust and dust than you can imagine. We're cleaning it every day. Then into probably the coolest room in our lab, the garage. This is the ShopBot wood router. This guy is a CNC computer-controlled wood cutter where you can make furniture, all kinds of cool stuff. And that leads me to the outside, which the door is shut. Thank you. We'll see you in future episodes. Get in here and start making some stuff.
Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm an MET major here, and I am working on building a giant robot suit for Comic-Con. It's from a movie that I quite love a lot. It's Guillermo del Toro's ode to classic kaiju and mecha films. It's called Pacific Rim. I'm building the primary robot, Gypsy Danger. It's a big fighting robot with huge shoulder pads and a big chest blaster. It's really awesome. So the suit was started in July 2013. It took roughly a year to complete, a few months to do buildable, a few months to do detail work, and then 1 month to do the wiring. It was made using Peppercore Digital Designer to take the 3D models that were actually taken from the game and then laid out on paper in 2D so that we could cut them out as stencils and glue the foam pieces together. The next part after all this is using the laser cutter and vacuum former to vacuum form and laser cut the components to build Gypsy's hands.
So the Startup Lab minions, without my knowledge, bring in Ryan, this 6'5" like Comic-Con monster, and I come around the corner and the thing, I mean seriously, if you're next to it, it is scary. It's awesome.
Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Cody Van Cleve. I'm the producer and director of the Startup Labs TV show. Thank you so much for checking out our first ever episode. We're super excited to be producing for you. If you'd like to see your project featured on our show, come by the labs on Fridays, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. That's when we'll be shooting. Check us out on Facebook, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be releasing videos about every few weeks. Thank you so much.